like a gift card thing
okay,
over here
that's
for
how you
Is
spell
this a
your
present
name.
for Everett, or did he just grab something?
I don't know.
That's his.
No, I gave it to him.
Okay, okay.
I gave it to him because I wanted to see him tear into it.
Can you get it open, Everett?
He's come a long ways. Look at that.
Oh.
He's got
Since last week.
He's like,
It's like he's been working on his
No.
skills.
he didn't want to come up here, and I was like, presents? You know what it says?
Car. Is it a car? What color car? Blue.
Okay.
You know what it is.
Cool, Everett. Super cool.
Open.
He says open.
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 Doesn't matter. He needs
I love this sweater.
Get it out of the box right
Such a
now.
cute sweater.
I bought it for Christmas for it, like a Christmas sweater.
I love the
Is that a
collar
metal
on it.
car?
You're a new screwdriver.
You have a screwdriver one?
He's got a
You need a
Viper.
screwdriver.
Phillips or regular?
Hopefully this is what we're gonna do.
Phillips.
Thank Grandpa for going down and getting
Getting
this.
that one.
Is that
Thanks,
from you
thanks,
guys?
Ron.
Well, I told
Mhm.
him.
Thank you, guys.
We tried to find one. We were looking for a red one, but they didn't have a red one.
That's alright, he'll love that.
I think
Everett?
it's D batteries, so I didn't even ask.
You like that?
He didn't even have that.
Say fun.
Oh,
You
we have a
got
whole
deep.
drawer full of these.
No?
Why?
Leftovers.
likes
He likes
Your
it.
toys.
You can open everything.
You know he likes it when he opens it and he says, open!
I
Like
would
he
hate
wants to
know
play
how
with
much
it.
money you bought batteries
Oh,
for.
and you saw Henry's